Hey guys, it's Crystal, aka Queen BRZ, back with another video for you. So today I'm super excited to be installing my JDM OEM window visors that were shipped all the way from Tokyo. I know it is a Toyota part, but unfortunately they don't make them for Subaru. So I'm going to be installing this Toyota part, and I'm super excited because I've really been wanting something that makes my car look a little bit less stock, and I just think they look really amazing. So let's get started.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too.
Wow, so right off the bat I can tell that they're really well packaged, and I see my little guide here that we're going to be using to help place them in the correct place on my car. So sexy. So the first thing I'm noticing with these visors compared to the aftermarket visors is that the clips that they're supposed to come with are already attached, which is great because I don't have to do it now. But yeah, no, I really like that, and you can go ahead and see the 3M tape right on here. So yeah, I'm super excited to get these on. Alright, so first things first, we need to go ahead and roll the windows down, and after that we'll go ahead and clean the area where the visor is going to be with rubbing alcohol. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do this now to the other side, let it dry, and then the next thing that we'll do is attach our templates. Now to attach the first template, and we're going to use the same one for both sides, so of course we have to flip it around when we use it on each side. So this one's going to go this way, and we're just going to align that like so, and tape that down with some painter's tape. And then the back one is going to align like so. Alright guys, so now to align the rear end with the template, it's supposed to be fitting in perfectly like this. And I'm going to gently just put the tabs in a little bit. Okay, so I'm not pushing the tabs in all the way, but I put them in a little bit, and you want to get it between the black trim piece and the body of the car. And I'm just putting them in so that they hold, but so that I can see where everything's aligning. So right here it looks like I went a little bit too far, but I can see from the front that it is matching up perfectly where like it needs to be there. So I'm just going to make a few adjustments. Okay, so now I have it where I want it to be. So now we're just going to go ahead and push down so that the tabs go in. And the way that you can tell that they are in correctly is if you gently pull and you feel a little bit of resistance. You want to make sure that if it isn't going in as smoothly as it should be, don't force it because you can break the tabs. They should just slide in like that. So that click that you guys heard, that is the clips locking into place, and if you hear that, you know you're good. Okay, so once again, I just wanted to remind you guys that if you don't hear that click right away or it doesn't go in as easily as that, don't force it because you can break it, but let's just go ahead and readjust. Okay, so now that we have this removed, I'm going to do one more little firm push, and then we'll be done with this side. Awesome, so it's firm and pushed in and it looks great. So now we're just going to go ahead and remove these templates because we're going to use them for the other side. All right, so we're just going to do this side really quick and make sure everything is lined up. looks so good. I just think it looks so much meaner, and I'm all about making my car look mean and scary. And so obviously I'm not that mean and scary looking, so mean and scary car. Okay, so I think the final test now is to do the window test. So let's see if everything lined up correctly. Okay, so there's one really important thing to note when we are opening the door. Of course, we know that there is no like rim along the window, so therefore the window goes down a little bit when you open it. So the key is if you open it quickly and it doesn't hit the visor, you know you have lined it up correctly. But of course, if you open it quickly and it hits, you know you kind of made a mistake and you probably have to go back and make some adjustments. So let's see how it is. I think we were good. That's exactly how we want it to be, guys. So I did want to give a quick shout out to FT86 forum member Cali Drifter. I did look at his instructions online and they were very helpful, so I was able to make this video because of him. So thank you so much, Cali Drifter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it simple, and I hope you guys have a really great time installing your window visors. Alright guys, so now that I pulled it into the light, I'm so obsessed with it. It looks so freaking good. So if you've been on the fence with wanting to buy some window visors, I say go for it. I just love how mean it looks. Oh my gosh. It looks like some crazy mean eyebrows, and I love that. I don't know if you can see it. Really fast, before I go, I was wondering, would you guys like to see anything from this 17 STI? Right over here, 2017 STI. Because it's one that I don't really drive too often, but I do. Her name's Miley. And she does have suspension work already, but I can definitely do more if you guys would like to see more. So please let me know in the comments down below. But yes, this is Miley. Real quick before I go, a lot of people have been asking me what my thoughts are of my Super Street 1 Race Comp Engineering coilovers, and I've been hesitant to say too much because I haven't taken it to the track yet, but I will be going this weekend, so I'm really excited to give you guys my review on that. So far, I've put it on the softest setting just for my daily driving, and I am in love with them. I love that you're able to have that flexibility to adjust what setting you would like it on, and it just holds so well out on the road. I am going to autocross this weekend at the Auto Club Speedway on Saturday, so if any of you guys would like to drop by and say hello, I would love to meet you. I'll be there bright and early and probably until around 2 o'clock, so stop by and say hello, and maybe I'll give you a sneak peek of my review. But I think that's all I have for today, so until next time, Queen BRZ out.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too